If you're just starting out online, you're probably asking yourself, what softwares or what platforms do I actually need to use to actually build an online knowledge commerce business? Well, this video is for you if you're thinking about MailChimp versus Kajabi. Whereas it is a valid question, I'm going to show you in this video the main differences between these two platforms and which one would be right for you. Now, it will all depend on the stage of the journey that you're at. I've used both of these platforms, so it really depends on the functionalities that you're looking for as to which platform is the best suit for you today. So to compare these two platforms against one another, I'm going to start off with MailChimp. Now, you can just Google MailChimp or head to MailChimp.com. Now, MailChimp prides themselves, and it has always been an email marketing platform. So you're going to see a lot of email marketing as the focus. And so its main message here is turn emails into revenue, which is smart. I think email marketing is still the number one way of making money online. So this is really focused around email marketing. And you will get to understand that it does have a lot more functionalities these days than just email marketing. So this is talking about converting with email automations, using AI, refine with segmentation so you know your audience, and then optimize with reporting. So this really is all around email marketing with some other bolt-ons to it. Whereas Kajabi is best known for the all-in-one platform. So to build your online knowledge commerce business, you can build out products in such a way of online courses, coaching, podcasts, memberships, communities. You can have resources such as blogs. You can host your blogs. You can have live webinars. There's just so much you can do with this platform, but it also has email marketing. Now, I'm going to go and look at the two pricing structures because they are very different. And you will understand that they are very, very different platforms. Now, full disclosure, I am a Kajabi fan. I use Kajabi now, but I originally did start with MailChimp. So again, it all depends where you are in your journey, what's right for you. So let's have a look at the MailChimp pricing. So it does have a free plan, which is a really good idea if you just wanted to get up and running and have a look under the hood and just to see how you're going to be using MailChimp's email marketing. Jump onto that free plan and you can sign up today. The only issues are you only get monthly email sends, which is 1,000. Okay, you get one seat, one audience, and there are lots and lots of limitations on the free plan. So it might be a good idea to start the free plan, see if MailChimp is right for you, test it out, and then there's always that opportunity to upgrade to the essentials, the standard, and the premium. This is the monthly plan. You can also, if you're just starting out, or if you already have an email list, so if you've got, say, 2,500 emails on a list, let's just say, for example, the free plan's not going to be a good fit for you because it already says that it's going to be exceeding your sends, your email sends, or you could start with the 500 and then have a look at all the other add-ons. So websites. You can actually do websites now in MailChimp, and you can just add on a core website for $10 a month. And also you can have additional transactional emails, so you can add blocks of emails up to, whereas 4 million emails here sends, that's a $10 block at 161 blocks. So have a look at the availability within what MailChimp offer and see how many emails you think you're going to be sending using this platform. Let's jump over to the Kajabi pricing and see how this compares. It's quite hard to compare with the MailChimp pricing, as the MailChimp has the platform, the websites, and the transactional emails. It's the bolt-ons. Kajabi, again, is one price. All the tools under one roof, so it's one price. You can save annually, save 20% if you pay annually. But if you want the monthly plans, pay by monthly, it's a little bit more expensive. But let's see what you get on the basic. So you get 0% transaction fees, where I do believe MailChimp, they do start with some small transaction fees if you're on the free plan. You get 3 products, so you can actually build out courses, memberships, anything like that. You get some funnels, and this is great with Kajabi. You get unlimited landing pages and unlimited marketing emails. So right off the bat, yes, it's a little bit more expensive to get started with the monthly plan, but you've got unlimited email sendings. And you've got up to 10,000 contacts as well. So just compare these packages just to see which one suits you. And like I said, it all depends what functionalities you need in your business right now. So you may be thinking, what does it look like inside for the user experience? I've just opened up a free MailChimp account. Now, when I did start my online journey, I was using MailChimp, and actually today there's a lot more functionality and it's a great user experience if you were just to have a quick look around. So again, it's got campaigns, email campaigns, it's got automations you can have in there as well. So this is really heavily focused on email marketing. It's got how you manage your audiences in here. It's got analytics, and again, it's got websites, so you can actually link up your own websites. It does have integrations through Wix, and it actually also talks to Kajabi. So I'll show you that in a sec. Kajabi, if Kajabi is the platform you want to actually build out your courses, but you want MailChimp to actually run all your emails, you prefer this as an email marketing, you can actually integrate both of them. But this is a great idea if you just wanted MailChimp just to run your website or your store, or actually if you're doing any e-commerce, this might be a better platform for you. I'm going to head on over into my live Kajabi account. Now, I've been using Kajabi for a number of years now, but I did start with MailChimp. As I got over the number of emails that actually was charging me, I then switched to Kajabi. So you can see here, this is how you build out your websites or your pages, your landing pages. So you've got your system pages, your landing pages, or your funnels. In the marketing, you've got all of your emails. So if I was to click on email campaigns, and then I was just to click on new email campaign, the three main emails that Kajabi do is email broadcast, so an email that goes out to your entire list. Email sequencing, so if anyone opts into something, you can then send them out a series of automated emails. And they're actually coming soon, event emails. So if you've actually created an event, like a live event inside your Kajabi, then these are the emails and automated that are tagged to that event. So some of the other functions available in Kajabi, you have a set of products that you can actually build out within Kajabi. You can actually build out sales and offers within Kajabi. You have a whole contacts list, and you actually can have an affiliate dashboard as well, so ways of promoting your account. And as previously mentioned, if you wanted to integrate both of these two platforms, you just go into settings and then go into third-party settings inside your Kajabi account, and then you can just link up your MailChimp account here. You just need an API key from your MailChimp, so you can use Kajabi for your homepage, your website, all of your courses and memberships, and you can actually use MailChimp for your emails if you prefer MailChimp. But by now you might have understood that comparing Kajabi and comparing MailChimp is a little bit like comparing apples and oranges. They are very, very different platforms, and it all depends on the start of your journey, middle of your journey, or if you're at the end of your journey. If you're just starting out and you wanted to get a free account, you might be able to start with MailChimp. That might be best for you. But if you are building everything under one roof and you're actually serious about this business model, you want to go for the long term, I would probably, if you can afford it, recommend to go to Kajabi and then use Kajabi emails as well. Everything is all integrated into one platform. And like I said at the start, I'm using Kajabi right now. I use it for everything in my entire online business. I have actually canceled my MailChimp account. So if you wanted to get a extended 30-day free trial of Kajabi, I can get that for you as a partner. You can head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. If you sign up to Kajabi using my link, it is an affiliate link, and all that means is that part of your payment will come back to me if you continue to be a paying member. But if you sign up using my link, I'm going to grant you access to a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. This is what you need to do first, second, third, and fourth to actually unbox and set your Kajabi account up in the right way. And if you continue to be a paying member of Kajabi, I'll send you another course with all my sales page templates, so you can simply download them into a theme and upload them into your Kajabi account. But if you're still undecided, you can search through this channel. I have a ton of comparison videos that may help make up your mind. So hopefully that helps, and I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.